Today we are going to be making Greek salad. So, the ingredients you need are romaine lettuce, cucumbers, red onions, tomatoes, and caramel olives. You can also use black olives if you want. So, first, we pour the lettuce into the bowl. Then, we pour the into the bowl. Then, we do the red onions, then the cucumbers, and last but not least, we top it off with the caramel olives. So now we're done with the salad scene. Next, we're going to be making the salad dressing. For the Greek salad dressing, you need half a cup of olive oil, lemon juice, salt or oregano, and crushed garlic. So what you do is you pour the lemon juice into the olive oil, then crushed garlic, we have the salad dressing, and we're going to pour the salad dressing onto the salad like this. Then we top it with some feta cheese and some pepper. And voila! We're all done. Thanks for watching.
อร่อยไหมครับ
อร่อย
อร่อย
I'm really happy.
Do you want more